Hello everyone. Today we will talk about an upcoming exam IAT, and also we will talk about IISER. Now what is IISER? Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research are autonomous institutions under Ministry of Education, Government of India. There are 7 IISERs are there in India, which are Kolkata, Pune, Mohali, Bhopal, Thiruvananthapuram, Tirupati and Behrampur. IISER Kolkata and Pune were established in 2006. Mohali was established in 2007. Bhopal and Thiruvananthapuram were established in 2008. Tirupati established in 2015, and last Behrampur was in 2016. This is the NIRF 2020 rank of these 7 IISERs: 29 Kolkata, 25 Pune, 59 Mohali, 40 Bhopal, 80 Thiruvananthapuram. Two types of courses are provided in these 7 IISERs. First course is BSMS dual degree course, which is a 5-year course and available in IISER, all 7 IISERs. Another course is BS course. It is a 4-year course and available in IISER Bhopal. Program offered in 5-year BSMS dual degree courses are Physical Sciences, Chemical Sciences, Mathematical Sciences, Biological Sciences, Engineering Sciences, Economic Sciences, Geological Sciences, Earth and Climate Sciences, and Integrated and Interdisciplinary Sciences. Program offered in 4-year BS degree at Bhopal are Engineering Sciences with 73 seats and Economic Sciences with 42 seats. Now, the number of seats available in these 7 IISER are 1849, which are further divided into 233 in Kolkata, 288 in Pune, 244 Mohali, 367 in Bhopal, 280 in Thiruvananthapuram, 181 in Tirupati, and 256 in Behrampur. Admission in this IISER are followed by these 3 channels: KVPY channel, JEE Advanced channel, and SCB, that is State and Central Board channel. It is by IISER aptitude test. In KVPY channel, candidate having a must have a valid KVPY fellowship. In JEE Advanced channel, a student must have 1000 rank under 10,000 rank in its common ranking list. And for reserve category, that rank will be of their category rank. Additionally, for if some student want to take admission in IISER Bhopal in engineering sciences, then he must have 75% score in its 12th class, and for reserve category it is 65%. For SCB channel, student must have passed 12th class from his science stream, and he have to give the IISER aptitude test. IISER aptitude test has been scheduled on 17th of September, Friday 2021. Application portal has been started from 1st of July and it will remain open up to 31st of August. Eligibility criteria has been decreased for 12th standard students. Now students have to occupy 60% in 12th class for general category and 55% for reserve categories. Now this is examination details. The mode of examination is CBT mode. Number of papers is 1. Paper duration is 180 minutes. Subject tested are physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology. Number of question is 60 questions. Maximum marks is 180. Type of questions are multiple choice type of questions. Weightage of marks per question, 3 marks for every right answer and -1 will be deducted for every wrong answer. Now, Vibrant Academy is providing you an online test series for IISER aptitude test, and also you will get solution and discussion. So if you want to take that online test series, you can join and contact on the given numbers. Thank you.